Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you very much. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel. I can first time my clients and search in on blog. The first time opening a Gmail account and YouTube sign up. Then I can opening the YouTube channel the first time the search in on blog my client channel the search in on blog. Please subscribe then search in on blog. I can often first time the Sassinal blog and then YouTube studio start now and the SEO search in optimization and these videos just loading this channel. The Sassinal channel, the clear the total the dashboard and the dashboard contain analytic comment copyright earning and customize. Just I am click the content click. There's a lot of videos the search engine sellers more than 100 plus videos. These videos the lot of videos that's one videos and uh, SEO search engine. I am just these videos click them the search engine optimization lot of videos. This Bengali channel the very important the blog channel tour and travel channel. This the fishing and restaurant channel and the Muslim Ummah of the very important the Hazrat Muhammad Sallam and the Sistine Modina and Makkah Manora is this one videos. I can select these videos. These videos that I click in the details. These videos I can change the thumbnail and title description and keyword. My client present my sites. The some talk to these Bengalis. এখানে আর কিছু করবেন I can share this writing and translate this translate Google Translate uses your any country people this translate uses Google Translate and Bengali to English just paste Aring in Jannah will all grade the breath and this comparison. Just 100 word বেশি হবে তো same the SEO very important rules. I'm first time the title select description these titles selects title copy and this same paste. Some hashtag using this search Sinan blog. Very important hashtag uses must be use your channel name hashtag and tag. This is at the rate and tag. Okay. Hashtag and tag. I can use and this title this use hashtag. Okay. And I can somebody the uses YouTube hashtag hashtag generator. Just search Google lot of provide the hashtag generator. I can use this hashtag lot of sites. United hashtag site. thumbnail change করবেন, এটা থাকবে। This is the playlist add and same tag same search Sinan blog and title select search Sinan blog Blaze Live search Sinan and Makkah Medina. This is the use and related hashtag and tag. Very important. The suggest Q body and BIDQ Khamar body search Sinan. Use must be caption Bangla, title description English, search Sinan. Do not allowed. Very important. The short remixing in this the title that do not allowed. You can approval your videos the other person uses. Allowed and video and audio remix, but not allow or must be select. Do not allow this remix videos. And same things your category blog and people and hidden the top read is safe. Okay. I can use my others videos and track title use. This is the some hashtags search Sinan blog and Riazul Janna. The back Riazul Janna, the some keyword uses by tag definition tag Riazul Janna. I can use then 500 keyword, but very important. The best poet has Muhammad. I can search Riyazul Jannat. This keyword, very important keyword. I can search on YouTube search toolbar. Keyword. Okay. Just search keyword. YouTube keyword. এই দেখেন চলে আসলাম যে কতগুলো কিওয়ার্ড আমাদের চলে আসে রিয়াজুল জান্নাত তো আই You can provide the 37 keyword. And side use must be subtitle in skin card. I can use this card the same lot of card uses. Just I am one card use my channel videos. Very important, this channel videos must be select same videos. This channel is the very important videos. These videos, the drugs. These videos I can title. In the skin, uses in the skin. Okay. Very simple and very easily. This video. Thank you. Very easy and sheet videos.